So it's Team Kazuki is back, and I am George, and this is
Kara.
and we got a special guest with us today. Some baby lovebirds. Yes, they are our baby lovebirds, and they're about 4 weeks old.
And this is the youngest.
Yes, they're so awesome. I love holding them. There they go. Let's see. I'll put them where you can see them. Oh,
That one's
this
the
is
middle.
the middle one. Oh, my hand's too big. Let me put them down. Here we go. Here we go. Here you go. That's the middle. And this is the oldest.
This is the oldest one.
They all the same color. They're the color of their dad. We got lucky. All the eggs hatched.
Except one.
And they're playing right now. They're all playing. Where are they? There.
He seems it has a lot of personality.
We're hand feeding them. They can be hand tamed for good for pets. Look how cute.
Hi, Mr. Pup. Mr. Pup.
So to talk about the lovebirds a little bit, we have quite a few different colors. We have the peach face lovebirds, and we enjoy them very much. They make great pets. They tend to bond with several people, and they love to be held and sit on your shoulder all day. And oh, by the way, it's Mardi Gras. Got the beads, and we didn't do Mardi Gras this year, but we do like Mardi Gras. And you have anything to say about the birdies? No?
Show them Glitch.
You want to go grab Glitch?
Yep.
She's going to go get our pet. It's Glitch. She has a spay leg. She is not a breeder. She's just a pet. And she sits on our shoulders, ride around all day. She is one tenacious little thing, but she also is very loving, and can't get enough of these little things. Look, oh, they're so cute, so cute. They're being fed every 5 hours right now, round clock. So it means waking up in the middle of the night just like you would a baby. So if you know anybody that's looking for a pet, you can contact us.
And put the phone number in the description.
No, you don't put phone number.
No phone number, silly.
Email.
Oh, email.
This is a peach face as an adult. Back it up. They will get the peach face just like this. Glitch sees the babies.
Glitch is not friendly with
Yes.
babies.
Nothing. She just pooped on me.
Yep, they like to do that.
She loves Daddy.
Yep, that's my little
Daddy's her
special.
favorite person. Go on.
That's a Glitch pie. Yeah, little pea pie. What
She
you
sees
doing,
the
pea pie?
babies.
You see the babies, pea pie? So, to tell you a little story about Glitch this morning, Shelby woke up first and went to the sink to get something.
To wash a dish to eat.
Yes, so when she did that, she found Glitch in some water up to her neck. So we almost lost her. Ooh. We're glad that didn't happen, because we love our pea pie. Yeah.
Her nickname is Pea Pie. And
Yep.
one of our birds, Escher, says Pea Pie.
So we have a lot of birds, and we're going to be sharing it throughout the videos with y'all. And we hope to see y'all soon. Bye.
Bye.